Now that we have a basic understanding of logarithmic functions, let's see what they look like. Do you remember your exponential function we talked about in a previous lesson? This is your exponential function. And remember, I said in the last video that logarithms and exponentials are inverses. Also, remember when we studied about inverses, we said that they reflect across the line y equals x. So if a logarithm is the inverse of an exponential, it's going to be reflected over this line. That's what this blue one is right here. This is our logarithm function, where the base is the same as this base. So how do you actually get ordered pairs? So I put this information in the table just a little bit backwards, and I believe there's a typo on your page, so watch out for that one. What you want to do in this case is fill in your y's first and get your x's second. So this means, let's write this in exponential form. We're going to call this y, just for ease of writing it down. So that would be 2, do you remember how to switch it back? 2 to the y equals x. 2 to the y equals x. These are our y values. So this means 2 to the negative 3. Well, you have to remember what a negative exponent means. It means flip it over, right? So 1 over 2 cubed, where 2 cubed is 8. So this ordered pair is actually 1/8 negative 3. You can actually see this here, 1/8 negative 3. Okay, let's try the next one. This means 2 to the negative 2 is y. So that's 1 over 2 squared, or 1 over 4. So this ordered pair would be 1/4 negative 2. You can go 1/4 negative 2. The next one is 2 to the negative 1. So that's 1 over 2 to the first power. That's just 1/2. So we get 1/2 negative 1, 1/2 negative 1. What about 2 to the 0? Remember, 2 to the 0 or anything to the 0 is 1, right? So this ordered pair would be 1, 0 here. Now we can raise 2 to all of these pretty quickly. 2 to the 1 is 2, 2 squared is 4, and 2 cubed is 8. Let's just see if we can see those on our graph. So we have the point 2, 1, 2, 1. We have the point 4, 2, 4, 2. And we have the point 8, 3, which is not on this grid. But now you can see how you come up with all of those values so that you could sketch a graph if you needed to.